Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Google Flights. This is especially useful if you're planning international travel and want to see prices in your preferred currency, making it easier to budget and compare flight costs accurately. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Flights. Open your web browser and type google.com/flights into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Flights homepage, where you can search for flights and manage your travel preferences. Once you're on the Google Flights page, the next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You'll need to move past all the flight search options and results to reach the footer section. This is where Google keeps various settings and preferences that you can customize to enhance your experience. At the bottom of the page, look for the option labeled Currency. It's typically displayed alongside other settings like language and region. This section allows you to control how prices are displayed throughout the site. Click on Currency to open the selection menu. A menu will appear showing you a list of available currencies from around the world. Take a moment to browse through the options and find the currency you want to use. Whether you're looking for US dollars, euros, British pounds, or any other currency, you'll find a comprehensive list to choose from. Once you've found your preferred currency, simply click on it to select it. After selecting your currency, you'll see a button labeled OK or Done depending on your screen. Click on OK to confirm your selection. This action saves your preference and immediately updates all the prices on Google Flights to display in your chosen currency. The change takes effect right away, so you'll instantly see flight prices converted to your selected currency. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Google Flights. From now on, whenever you search for flights or browse travel options, all prices will be shown in the currency you just selected, making it much easier to understand costs and plan your travel budget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.